Hey Dad.
Yes, Clyde.
Can I see the 4th of July fireworks with my friends?
No.
Why not?
Because you are still grounded. Go back to your room now.
Man. Being grounded is boring. And I can't go see the 4th of July fireworks. I know. I will sneak out of the window to go see the 4th of July fireworks.
Hello, Clyde. You made it just in time.
The fireworks will start in 5 minutes.
Dad, what are you doing here?
I'm coming to pick you up.
Already?
Yes. Let's go home now. You're in deep trouble now.
Goodbye, Clyde.
Clyde. I can't believe you went to the 4th of July fireworks with your friends while grounded. That's it. You're grounded until the year 2022. Go to your room now, and no more 4th of July for you.